In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to a Wix website. If you want Wix to send and manage your site emails using an email account you already have. This setup is quick and very straightforward. It's also important to know that when your email shows as connected, that does not mean you are creating a brand new mailbox inside Wix. It simply means Wix is linking to your existing Gmail or Outlook account so it can help you manage communication for your site. To get started, go to your Wix site dashboard. Once you are there, open Inbox. This is where Wix handles conversations and communication tools connected to your website, so it's the right place to begin this setup. Next, look to the top right corner and click the Settings drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Communication Channels. This section is where Wix lets you connect services like Gmail or Outlook, so your website communication can work smoothly from one place. When you arrive there, find Gmail or Outlook, depending on the email provider you want to use. Then click Manage or Set Up, and after that, click Connect. Wix will begin the connection process and guide you through the rest. At this point, a secure Google or Microsoft pop-up window will appear. This is normal and it's how Wix safely connects to your email provider, without asking you to handle anything manually inside Wix itself. Now sign in to the email account you want to connect. Before you begin, it helps to have your login information ready so the process goes smoothly. Make sure you choose the correct account if more than one appears, especially if you are already signed in to multiple accounts in your browser. After signing in, your email provider will ask you to approve certain permissions. These permissions allow Wix to send and manage site-related emails using your existing mailbox. Read through the prompts carefully, then approve them to continue. Once that's done, wait a few moments for the connection to finish. You should then be returned to Wix automatically. After you are back in the Communication Channels section, check that your email account is now listed as connected. That confirmation tells you the setup was successful and Wix can now use that mailbox for your site communication. And that's it. Thanks for watching.